These are models prepared by students in the subject of genetics and evolution. So most of the students have submitted their assignment in the form of models and charts. So this is showing the evolution of finches. You can see beautifully designed finches showing the variation in their beaks. So there are many models submitted by the students. So you can see here this one also the model. So this is a full chart showing the different kinds of variations in the bird beak. So this is a evolution of Darwin finches. Again, you can see variations in the distribution of birds as well as a beak depending upon the variation in their environment. You can see here they have drawn the different diagrams: vegetarian tree finch, large insectivorous finch, woodpecker finch, medium ground finch, then large ground finch, then you can see sharp beaked ground finch, large cactus finch, ground finch, and warbler finch. So actually in evolution what happens, they have evolved from the one ancestral finch, one ancestral type, and then variation comes depending upon their food source and depending upon their environment. You can see this is one showing the evolution. Then again you can see large tree finch, small tree finch, warbler finch, cactus finch, small ground finch, etc. And in this you can also see the map showing the fruit eaters, insect eaters, cactus eaters, and seed eaters. So this is beautifully prepared by the students. This one, then again another Darwin finches, beautifully pasted, showing map also, different types of beaks, and then map. Again, this one prepared by student in the form of tree finches, then vegetarians, insectivorous, woodpecker, cactus, and then warbler like. Again, same thing, different kinds of beaks, different kinds of food habits. So example of adaptive gradation also. So this is again submitted by students in the group. You can see the variation in their beak. So actually what happened in evolution, Darwin traveled around the world observing animals on different continents and islands in 1831 to 1836. He observed that the variation in the size and shape of the beak. Then he tabulated these in the form of evolution, that there are the differences among the species which are due to the natural selection, so which is caused by the inheritance of traits. So competition between individuals and the variation traits. So large-billed finches feed more efficiently on the large hard seeds, whereas small beaked birds, they will feed more efficiently on the small soft seeds. So another species, there are many species of finches which have very long beak. Some have pointed beak, some have nectar and pollen, some have to use beak for the collection of nectar and pollen from the cactus flower, like this. So that's why you can see the variation in the form of their beaks. So this is the evolution of finches. Very important question from the point of evolution.